In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put games on your Wix website. Whether you're looking to make your site more interactive, engage your audience, or simply add a bit of fun, incorporating games is a great way to enhance your website's appeal. Wix makes it simple to add features like these, even if you're not a tech expert. By the end of this guide, you'll have a game up and running on your site that fits your audience and theme perfectly. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. This is your starting point for editing and customizing your website. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the specific site where you'd like to add a game. If you manage multiple websites on your Wix account, make sure you're selecting the correct one for this task. After selecting your site, open the Wix Website Editor. This is the tool you'll use to make changes to your site, and it's where all the magic happens. It might take a moment for the editor to load, so be patient and wait for it to fully initialize. This ensures that everything is ready to go and you won't encounter any glitches along the way. Once the editor has loaded, locate the search bar at the top of the page. This is your go-to tool for finding specific functions or features within the Wix editor. Click on the search bar to activate it, and then type Games into the search field. This will bring up a list of available games that you can add to your site. Now, take a moment to browse through the selection of games. You'll see a variety of options, so consider your website's audience and theme as you make your choice. For example, if your site is geared toward children, you might want to select a fun and colorful game. On the other hand, if your audience is more professional, you might opt for something simple and sleek. Once you've found the game that best suits your needs, click on it to select it. From there, you'll see an option to add or integrate the game into your website. Go ahead and click on this option. This will initiate the process of embedding the game onto your chosen page. At this point, follow the prompts provided by the Wix Editor to position the game on your page. The editor will guide you step by step, making it easy to ensure the game is placed exactly where you want it. You can move it around, adjust its placement, and even resize it to fit seamlessly with the rest of your site's design. Take your time to customize the positioning and sizing of the game. This step is important because you want the game to look intentional and well integrated into your site, rather than out of place. Wix gives you the flexibility to tweak these details until everything looks just right. Once you're happy with the placement and appearance of the game, double-check that it displays correctly on your site. You can use the preview feature in the Wix editor to see exactly how it will look to your visitors. Make sure there are no glitches and that the game is functioning as expected. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. This step ensures that all your hard work is preserved and that the game is live on your site for visitors to enjoy. If you skip this step, your changes won't be applied, so make sure to hit that save button before exiting the editor. And there you have it. Adding a game to your Wix website is as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.